Rather than waiting for perfect answers, Singapore is establishing principles that can evolve as the technology matures. So, given all this, what are the strategic implications? Now, for enterprises globally, this framework offers something valuable, and that is clarity. As the companies race to deploy AI agents, they now have a reference point for responsible implementation. Singapore is betting that trust is the ultimate competitive advantage in the AI era. By establishing clear governance standards early, the Republic positions itself as a jurisdiction where innovation and responsibility coexist. A compelling proposition for multinational corporations navigating an increasingly complex regulatory landscape. The framework builds on the Singapore's 2020 Model AI Governance Framework and reflects extensive consultation with both the public as well as the private sectors. This isn't regulation imposed from above, it's governance that is co created with the industry it seeks to guide. So, given all this, what's the bigger picture and what can we look forward to? As Minister Teo noted, agentic AI is gathering momentum. Singapore's framework arrives at precisely the right moment, early enough to shape emerging practices, but late enough to be grounded in real world understanding of technology's capabilities as well as risk. And the question for other regulators is straightforward: follow Singapore's lead and help shape the global standards for agentic AI, or risk playing catch up in a world wherein autonomous AI systems are already reshaping industries. The future of AI governance is being written now, and Singapore just put down the first chapter.